Welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to make a healthy version of chicken wings. Chicken wings are generally fried to make them crispy, but we are going to bake them. They will be equally crispy. Don't believe me? Listen to this. So, shall we begin? First, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Take 2 kg of chicken wings, wash and dry them properly. To this, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Do not use baking soda as both are different. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. It is better to use baking powder that is aluminium free. That's because it may give a bitter taste. Now you might be wondering, how does this make the wings crispy? The baking powder changes the pH level on the skin of the wings, which does the magic. Take 2 sheet pans lined with aluminium foil and oil it generously. This prevents the wings from sticking onto the pan. Arrange the wings on the sheet. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Leave enough gap between each wings. Otherwise, they will get steamed instead of roasted. Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Flip the wings over after 20 minutes for even cooking. Let's make the glaze. First, we'll do the garlic parmesan. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, reduce the flame to medium-low and add 6 cloves of garlic, which is minced. Saute it till light brown. Add this mixture to half of the baked chicken wings. Add 2 tablespoons of minced parsley, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of powdered Parmesan cheese. Mix it well. The Parmesan chicken wings are ready. Now the sweet and spicy chicken wings. Into a saucepan, add 1.5 tablespoons of any neutral oil. To this, add 2 cloves of garlic, which is minced. Cook it on low heat. Once the garlic has turned light brown, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let it cook until the chili powder is cooked through. Add 1.5 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. You can add more lime juice if you prefer it to be more tart. Let the sauce come to a simmer. Pour the glaze over the other half of the baked wings. Toss it well to coat it. Sprinkle with some parsley. Serve hot. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Please try this and leave your comments below. Like, share and subscribe if you like to see more videos from us. Until next time, happy cooking.